Welcome back to Weekly Directory Update. We have a lot to unpack today. I have about almost 10 updates. Let's go. First update is for our contractors, and it has to do with our algorithm. If you have been registering your guarantees, your jobs with Directorii.com, now you are going to be showing up higher. For example, DT Roofing have registered every single job for the past year and a half, and as a result, they are #1 contractor in their market. So the more jobs you register, those projects now affect your algorithm and affect your ranking within the systems. Register all the jobs you got from our leads if we connected you with homeowner, and you can also sell our guarantee to your own jobs as insurance that everything is going to be fine in case you go out of business. You want to sell extra protection to give extra peace of mind to your homeowners, you can also do that, but know that it will affect your algorithm and you will be listed higher. If you are the contractor on Directorii.com and you don't register jobs that you're getting from Directorii, and we're going to find out about it, it's your responsibility. We're going to remove you sooner or later. As of right now, we take your word for it. We just believe that everyone is doing it. But if contractors are not doing it, they're going to essentially be punished, either be dropped all the way to the bottom of the list or they will be removed. Another update for the homeowners. Homeowners can leave reviews for the contractors they use on Directorii.com, whether they just got estimates or they hire them for the projects. Homeowners have the option to leave a review directly on Directorii.com. Pretty big update for us. Another tool is built for our contractors. Contractors now can log into their profile and download car stickers. So you have a barcode specific for you. So if you want to download it from there, give it to your print shop, maybe create a magnet, you can put it on your car, you can put it on your fridge, you can pass it to your homeowners in different ways. But now you can have a car sticker downloadable with a barcode designed specifically for your company. So when people scan that barcode, they're gonna come to your profile. Go to your profile to check it out. My next update is about investment opportunity at Directorii.com for those people who already invested or who wants to invest in the future. I want to explain how we raise money and how we're different from other platforms. Here at Directorii.com, we do need money to advertise. We are a profitable business. We don't need money to grow, but we're doing huge things when it comes to marketing. We want to be a national brand, and that's why for 2024, we're going to be raising a little bit of money. We're going to sell a few more percent, but we're doing it strategically. We actually have opportunity to bring venture capitalists, and we have a couple offers for a couple $1 million to sell stakes. Instead, we are letting people in our network, contractors, investors who we know and trust, to buy 1-2% at a time. Company today worth $12 million, so 1% is $120,000. We're gonna keep doing it, paying out previous investors, people who invest in us year ago already made 20% increase on that investment. By the end of the year, it's probably going to be about $15 to $18 million. We're growing super fast. Early investors are usually the ones who make the biggest return on investment. So if anyone interested in investing in Directorii.com, you can email me personally, Dmitry@roofinginsights.com. We will do short interview. I'll share some numbers with you. We can talk. I'm a majority owner, and I will be majority owner of Directorii.com, but I will let people in my network to invest in my company. Makes me feel great about the company, about the brand, and about people who believed in us. Thank you so much for those who already invested and believed in us early on. We're growing super fast. I will not let you down. If you want to be part of this journey, reach out. Another update for contractors, it's about HTML code that you can take from Directorii, from your profile, and install it on your website. So if you want feature deals that you sell on Directorii.com on your website, it's easier than ever. If you need help, just reach out to us. We'll guide you through the process, but pretty much you can log into your profile, grab a code, give it to your developers, and install it on your website. I highly recommend every contractor who is on Directorii.com, activate your offers and do add them to your website so people can shop your deals when you're asleep, in odd hours, maybe when you're closed for the weekend, Saturday, Sunday, late hours, early mornings. People will see your value proposition. I believe that every contractor should have at least one offer that's unique to you. Even if you're in commodity business, what do you offer that people can just swipe car and buy it? Is it a gutter cleaning? Is it roof inspection? Is it emergency tarp covering? Whatever the deal is, if you don't know what the deal is, we can custom create one for you. If you have a deal that you've sold before, maybe you have a popular loss leader or popular just maintenance package, wherever the deal is, maybe you have a tangible product like solar fan for the roofs. You can actually sell those online. We will help you to do that. So all you have to do, reach out to us, tell us what the product is, tell our service. We will create a deal on Directorii. You will then have that HTML code put on your website and sell it just like you would sell it on Amazon. Super easy. Have those sales start rolling in. And that brings me to last update for today. When you sell those jobs on Directorii.com, you can now get paid directly from Stripe to your account. Pretty much the way it works, after you activate your offer, after you have couple sales, you're gonna have a balance at your account. So you're gonna log into Directorii.com to your profile. You're gonna see that you have couple $1,000. So let's say you activated $200 gutter cleaning and you sold 10 of them. Now you have $2,000 worth of cash in your account. You then can go to your profile, sign up for Stripe, link it to your bank account, and you can directly distribute money to your account minus 1.5% fees. Super cheap fees for Directorii.com. You get paid, we only get commission 1.5%. Very reasonable, the cheapest rate ever. There's no reason not to have those sales and not to get paid, not to get money in your account. Those are all updates I have for you this week. Comment below if you have any questions, and I'll see you guys next week.